Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some rustic style farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Rustic farmhouse decor combines the charm of country living with rugged natural elements. Here are some tips to enhance the rustic farmhouse decor. Incorporate reclaimed wood. Use reclaimed wood for shelving, picture frames, or furniture. The weathered texture adds authenticity and warmth to your space. Mix old and new. Balance vintage pieces with newer, functional items. For example, pair an old farmhouse table with modern chairs or a sleek lamp. Use galvanized metal accents. Incorporate galvanized metal in the form of planters, wall art, or light fixtures. This adds an industrial touch that complements the rustic theme. Opt for open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves to display dishes, glassware, and rustic decor items. This creates an open, airy feel while showing off your collections. Add vintage-inspired lighting. Choose light fixtures with a vintage or industrial design, such as metal pendant lights, barn-style sconces, or lanterns. These pieces add character and enhance the rustic vibe. Incorporate oven baskets. Use oven baskets for storage or as decorative elements. They add texture and are perfect for holding blankets, firewood, or kitchen essentials. Keep it cozy. Layer soft blankets and pillows in neutral tones and natural fabrics like linen or cotton. This invites comfort and adds to the cozy, lived-in feel of the space. Distressed furniture. Incorporate furniture with distressed finish, sanded edges, and chipped paint on tables, cabinets, or chairs. Give the appearance of age and story. Layer rugs. Layer a smaller patterned rug over the larger neutral one to add depth and warmth. Natural fiber rugs like jute or seashell work well with a rustic theme. Vintage mirrors. Use vintage or antique mirrors with distressed frames to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Ornate frames add a touch of elegance to the rustic look. Use mason jars. Incorporate mason jars as vases, candle holders, or storage containers. They are versatile and perfectly suited for a farmhouse look. Outdoor inspiration. Bring in elements from the outdoors like dried lavender bundles, pine cones, or fresh herbs in small pots. These natural touches enhance the earthy feel of rustic decor. Fireplace mantle styling. If you have a fireplace, style the mantle with a mix of candlesticks, small potted plants, and framed photos or art. A well-curated mantle can be the centerpiece of a rustic living room. Rustic entryway. Set the tone with a rustic entryway. Use a wooden bench, vintage coat hooks, and a woven rug to create a welcoming first impression. Rustic signet. Create or buy wooden signs with rustic quotes or formulated phrases. They can hang on the walls or place on shelves for added charm. Use antique trunks or chests. Instead of a traditional coffee table, use an antique trunk or chest. It adds storage space and serves as a unique rustic focal point. Layered curtains. Use a combination of sheer and heavier fabrics curtains. Sheer curtains allow natural light to filter in, while heavier drapes add warmth and texture. Rustic kitchenware. Display rustic kitchenware like enamelware, copper pots, or cast iron skillets. Hang them on hooks or arrange them on open shelves for a farmhouse kitchen vibe. Use rustic lanterns. Place lanterns around your home as decor or functional lighting. Whether they are vintage or modern replicas, lanterns evoke a sense of rustic charm. Create a gallery wall. Create a gallery wall with a mix of photos, vintage prints, rustic signs, and other small decor pieces. Use mismatched frames to add to the eclectic, rustic look. Vintage linens. Use vintage or vintage-inspired linens like embroidered tablecloths, lace toiles, or patterned tea towels. They add a delicate, nostalgic touch to your decor. Use burlap accents. Incorporate burlap in your decor through table runners, pillow covers, or even as backing for framed photos. The raw texture adds to the rustic charm. Rustic bathroom decor. In the bathroom, use wooden ladders as towel racks, mason jars for holding toiletries, and galvanized metal buckets for storage. Add a rustic clock. A large, rustic style clock with a wooden or metal frame can be a great focal point in a living room or kitchen, blending functionality with style. Include coils, drape handmade or vintage coils over the back of a sofa or at the foot of a bed. Their intricate patterns and soft texture add warmth and a sense of nostalgia. Rustic entryway bench. Place a rustic bench in your entryway, perfect for putting on shoes or displaying decor. A bench with storage underneath can also be practical for stashing away items. Utilize stoneware. Display stoneware pottery such as jugs, bowls, or pitchers on shelves or a centerpiece. Their earthy tones and rugged appearance fit seamlessly into a rustic farmhouse theme. Thanks for watching the video.